Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this CLOVIA box for you guys, which looks like this. So if you're interested in knowing what I've received inside this box, then continue watching. But before that, if you're new here, this is Pavithra Iyer. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you'll get notified whenever I upload videos. And now let's get started into the unboxing video. So this is how the packaging looks like. As you can see, it's a fully pink in color, which looks really cute and girly, and it says crafting #under fashion, and it also says happy is my superpower with love from CLOVIA. So this is how the overall packaging looks like. And once we open, we have everything inside this box. So this time I have received 7 pieces of satin nightwear, and this unboxing would be very helpful for all the brides out there. And even if you're not bride and still love wearing satin nightwears, this video will be helpful for you all. So please watch till the end without skipping. And I also have a special coupon code for you all. So if you guys shop from CLOVIA, just use my code and you will get instant discount of 10% on any products you purchase from CLOVIA. So now let's get started into the video, and I'll mention the code here on the screen and it will be in the description box. You can check it out, and I'll provide the link for this product as well. And now I'll stop my rant and start unboxing for you guys. So once we open, this is how the packaging looks like. The packaging had arrived very nicely. It was really safe. As I said, this is the 7-piece satin set. So first piece is this transparent strap, which looks like this, which is very useful for changing our bra straps. This is how the straps looks like. I have 2 straps, obviously. So this is the first piece. Now I'm gonna be opening this package. So I'll add the image of this 6 pieces so that you'll get an idea how it looks. Okay, so first piece is this long nighty. It looks like this. It has this lace neck, which is really cute and pretty, and it also has this ruffle sleeves. I really love these sleeves. As you can see, it looks really cute. It's almost sleeveless, but it has this cute ruffles, and I really love the pattern of this neck and sleeves. And it has this long nighty. As you can see, it's very long, and it also has the slit over here, which will be comfortable. And I'm really not a big fan of satin materials. I don't usually use satin materials. I don't usually wear, but this piece is from CLOVIA. It's really nice. I really love the material. It's not that transparent. As you can see, it's really comfortable. I tried all the pieces. I feel the quality is also nice. And the next piece I have is this top, which looks like this. It's a short top, and it has normal mega sleeves like this. And it also has this lace pattern going on, which looks really cute. And yeah, this is the second piece. Then I have this pants for that top. It's almost like capris. It's 3/4 pant, which has this ruffle detailing at the bottom, and it has elastic like this. It's very comfortable, you guys. First, when I saw this, I literally thought it won't fit me, but when I tried it, it was very comfortable. And these pieces are free size, so anybody can wear. So this is the set for this top. The next piece I have is this robe, which looks like this, and this also has this lace detailing here, and it also has the tie. And I really love this robe, you guys, because I can wear it with my other night dress, other shorts. I can just top this on my shorts and t-shirt. I really love this robe, and the material is also really nice. It's not transparent, it's not cheap. Then the last piece I have is this bikini set. So it comes with this bikini first, which has this tying like this. Then we have the alternate bra, which looks like this. And I feel this won't fit for heavy busted, heavy chested girls. And yeah, that was all the 7 pieces I received inside this box over here. So if you want to purchase anything from Clovia, directly go to their website. I'll provide the link in the description box. And don't forget to use my coupon code so that you'll get 10% discount on anything you purchase from Clovia. So with that being said, I'll finish this video. I really hope this video was helpful. I'll see you all in my next video super soon. Bye.